Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo with a toy vending machine.
Let's start drawing.
At first I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I start with his eyes, then I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat on his head. Now I draw his face. Wow! I draw his hands like this, one onto both sides of his mouth. He is surprised and excited. Then I draw his body. Now let's draw a toy vending machine next to him. I start with its bottom. Then I draw the scroll. Well, you have to turn after you put the coin into the machine. And the hole too, where you get the surprise egg. Now I draw the rest of the machine with a globe-like glass on the top. Finally, I draw many surprise eggs into the machine. So many!
Brilliant! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I color Pocoyo first. I use cream for his skin. Then I color his mouth light red. I use this blue marker to color his whole outfit. And I add a little yellow here. Now let's color the machine. I color the metal parts gray. I use red onto the bottom. Then pink. And yellow. For the surprise eggs, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red, then I use orange. I color the third egg yellow. Then I use light green, dark green, blue, dark blue, light purple, purple, and pink. Now let's start again with red, orange, yellow, green, dark green, blue, dark blue, light purple, purple, and pink. Finally, I add a little red for the last one. And I color the glass part of the machine with this light blue marker.
Brilliant! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.